If the iPhone Photos app look messy after the iOS 18 update, then here is a video for you. In this video, I will detail how to customize iPhone Photos app after iOS 18. So, one of the major upgrades to latest iOS 18 is the Photos app with different features ranging from trip to memories to pin collections to recent maps, videos, screenshots, pets and people, and then a whole bunch of them. Now you can also create album, have pop-up suggestions here. And now if you come to the Photos app on the main page, you can just sort the photos using filter. Maybe you want to show your album, favorite edited photos, videos, and screenshots. So if this is not your type of things you want on an iPhone, and now you're looking for a way that you can use to customize the Photos app on your iPhone after you upgraded to latest iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to customize iPhone Photos app after iOS 18, all you just need to do is first open the Photos app. And once you open the Photos app, scroll down, then you have access to all categories. Recent day, people, pin collections, memories, trip, and then so much more. Now, the first one to do here is come to pin collections. Click on modify. Here you have access to all the categories you have under pin collections. So you see them? So these are the categories. Now, to remove unwanted categories under pin collections, just click on modify. Then go ahead and remove all the pin categories or pin collection you don't want to show on the Photos app home screen on your iPhone. So just keep removing them and leave only maybe your favorites like this. Then once you're done, click on this button. Then you should see under pin collection, you only have favorites. So if you click on this, then you have access to all your favorite photos on your iPhone instead of having a bunch of them with different categories under the pin collection. So that's one of the ways you can use to customize the Photos app on your iPhone after the iOS 18 update. Then you want to scroll down again. If you don't want all of these to come up here, the trip, the memories to show up, all you just need to do is scroll down, click on customize and reorder. Once you select customize and reorder, then remove whatever you don't want to show on the Photos app homepage here. So to hide them, so here I'm going to uncheck everything and leave only utilities and media type. So once you uncheck everything and leave utilities and media type, just go ahead and click on close this page. Then you should see all other categories removed on the iPhone iOS 18 Photos app. Then you have a very clean and decent Photos app home screen you can easily navigate. So that's the basic thing you need to do when you want to customize your iPhone Photos app after iOS 18 update. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.